A very good morning. Gift Nifty is down by another 338 points this morning. We are opening way below 23,000. FIIs added to their shorts for the second straight day on Friday, and today RupeeCase model rebalances as well. Three things happening at once. Here's what they mean today. So you are listening to India's pre-market edge 5 minutes every trading day. I'm Tanmay Kurtagoti, season 2, episode 6. Let's go. So guys, let's look at some global indices. So Gift Nifty is trading around 22,798. That's almost 340 points lower. Dow Jones, S&P and Nasdaq both closed negative on Friday, and we saw 1.5 and 2% cut on it. European markets were also down around 1.5 to 2%. Nikkei, Hang Seng, Kospi, Taiwan, Shanghai, Straits. Asian markets are trading extremely bad today in the morning session. So Nikkei is down by almost 3.74%. Hang Seng is down by 3.11%. Kospi is down by almost 5%. Taiwan is down by 2.5%. Shanghai is down by 2%. So Asian markets are extremely bad. Brent crude is trading around 112. That's not good for us. Gold is trading at around 43.71. So gold is also getting sold off and is down by almost 2.5 points. MCX gold is trading at 144,825. We could see further correction over there. Silver is trading at 2,27,470 on MCX, and crude is trading at 92.45. We could see further bounce happening on today's opening. Nat gas is trading around 287 on MCX, whereas copper and nickel are flat. On the dollar index is weakening and is trading below 100 and trading around 99.70. The worst thing is rupee, where it is the weakest currently and is trading around 93.71, almost 94. That's not a good news. So you don't need more information, you need the right information. Here's what matters today. So let's look at some data that happened on Friday, that is 20th March. So it was FI selling pressure continued in cash and derivatives. FI sold around 5,518 crores of equity, whereas DIs bought almost 5,700 crores of equity. For the month of March, we are looking at almost 92,000 crores of equity that FI have sold, and DIs have bought around 128,000 crores of equity. Index futures FI added almost 900 crores, and on Nifty futures they added almost 1100 crores that was present. So FI's net short grew from 2,28,000 short contracts to 2,34,508 short contracts. So 5,500 short contracts got added. So FI's put OI also grew from 4,14,000 to 4,40,000. So they are adding more puts over there. So call OI is also added. So 2,23,000 short calls were there FIs were holding. Now they are holding around 2,48,220 short calls. So that also got added. On the client side, basically clients reduced some long, so around 4,000 contracts got reduced, and currently future side clients have 1,47,000 long contracts that are present. On the client side, put side, we are seeing 5,61,000 short puts that are present, and that needs to go out before the market reversing out. So that is one thing to look for today. 16 years on this desk taught me one thing: the market always telegraphs. You just have to know where to look for, and that's where just have a look at the options data as well. So currently the expiry, that is for tomorrow, 24th March, ATM strike at open would be around 22,800. Yesterday's straddle at 23,100 was around 452. The implied volatility or VIX was trading at 22.23. So expecting that to bounce back to almost 27-28 levels. So let's look at 23,000 put OI grew by almost 5.5 lakh shares, and 72 lakh shares are present outstanding over there. So that's one level which is going to get breached, and we could see unwinding happening at those 23,000 put levels. 23,000 total gap stands at negative 1674, most negative. So it is the strongest support, but it is going to get breached in today morning. So put OI is at 11.25 crores. Call OI currently is at 14.39 crores. 23,000 looks like it is getting broken. So the next support stands at 22,780 to 22,800, where the markets are expected to move. So expiry is there. So tomorrow's expiry elevated. IVs are there. Just have a look at the gamma moves as well. So that's not a prediction, that's preparation. There's a difference, and that difference is your edge. So India VIX is currently extremely strong and is exploding. CNX finance is still weak, defense is weak, FMCG is weak, small cap is weak, auto metals are still showing some kind of strength and can be looked for. So that is there. So today's educational point: open interest tells you market intent. When put OI at a strike grows, it means more traders are adding protection at that level, not removing it. Here's what it looks like today. The 23,000 strike added around 6.75 lakhs of puts on Thursday. By Friday close, that number grew to 72 lakhs. The market added 54,000 more put contracts at 23,000 even as prices bounce. That's not coincidence. Someone wants 23,000 to be protected. Keep that in your mind today. So Gift Nifty is down by almost 338 points. We are opening way below 23,000. The put put wall stands at 72 lakh contracts. That not a level that breaks easily, but it is going to get broken. So FIIs have added short intensified. DIS cash buying is also minimizing. So today is a pre-expiry day, so we could expect a 2% move on either side. Watch for heavy swings where the markets could come down to almost 650 to 600 levels as well. So keep a watch on that. Today the RupeeCase Nifty 50 quant model rebalances right at 23,000 levels, and we have been watching all week. The model doesn't care about news. It reads price and momentum and factor and volatility. It resets the portfolio accordingly. So let's look at the portfolio that is going to happen tomorrow. So that was your edge for today, guys. If this added value, share it with one of your trader friend who needs it right now. Subscribe it on Apple Podcast and Spotify. Never miss a session. I'm building RupeeCase India's systematic investing terminal. Link in the show notes. You just got earlier. See you all tomorrow once again.